And I will show you the Bluetooth user interface. First connect to the rover, and then we go to controller mode and control pad, and then we can use 1 as the mode, then 2 we select the mode. Now we have started to initialize and check if all the hardware is in place and works. It shows if it's not responding, then it's not connected to the rover. Now we finish the initialization. We can select here mode and go into config. And in config we can, for example, go into forward test, select that, and there all the information from the config file shows up. And now we can change the value of the drive distance by pressing up or down. And then to save and exit, we press E-stop. That's the button 3 over here. And then we're back to the starting mode.